about 10 years ago, when the first migration asylum crisis actually started, the European Union took a lot of responsibility. But we didn't have any rules, we didn't have a system, we didn't have control. And what the member states agreed on last year is a new reform on asylum and migration, the Asylum and Migration Pact, which is, in my opinion, a very good basis to build on. It's not perfect, of course it's not perfect, but it is something we have in our hands and where the member states agreed on. It's going to be, for instance, the most modern IT border system in the world. Just to give you an example, but also there will be asylum procedures at the external borders. It's also about strengthening our external borders and different other things. We were very quick, I think. We delivered all that in the first 100 days of this mandate, starting in December last year, and now it's the member states and the parliament to decide. What we also have to look, but this is all about the European house, which we have to bring in order. We have to give the feeling, the people the feeling back that we have control over what is happening. Getting engaged with third countries is really important for us on different topics, be it legal migration, for instance, illegal migration, which we have to fight against. Because it's only the work of smugglers, and we have talent partnerships, for instance, with Pakistan, which is really important for us to bring people here on a legal basis.